Ever wondered how professionals build websites from scratch? Today, delve into the fascinating world of web development, where the magic behind those sleek, responsive websites happens. Start by understanding what web development truly is. It's not just about coding, it's about creating an interactive online environment using a variety of languages. HTML and CSS form the skeleton and skin of the website, while JavaScript breathes life into it, making it interactive. First, lay down the foundation with HTML. Imagine it as the blueprint of a building. It determines the structure, where the header, footer, and body go. It's the base where everything else builds upon. Next, beautify this structure with CSS. Think of it as the paint, wallpaper, and decor in a house. CSS adds colors, sets fonts, and aligns elements. The website starts to get its unique look and feel. Now, time to make the website function using JavaScript. It's like the electricity in a house. It powers up elements, making them do things. With JavaScript, you can add features like image sliders, form validations, and interactive maps. Even after laying down the basics, the website is not ready just yet. Now, the website needs to be responsive. It should look good on a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile phone. This is where media queries in CSS come in. They adjust the website's layout based on the screen size, making it truly responsive. Remember, a website isn't a one-time build. It needs regular updates and maintenance. Keep the website fresh with regular content updates and ensure it remains functional by routinely checking for broken links or bugs. In summary, web development is a multi-step process that involves 1. Building a foundation with HTML. 1. Styling the website with CSS. 1. Making it interactive with JavaScript. 1. Ensuring responsiveness with media queries. 1. Maintaining and updating the website regularly. Web development is a blend of creativity and logic. It's about creating beautiful, functional spaces on the web. It's a journey that starts with understanding the basics and never really ends, as there's always something new to learn or improve. So go ahead, explore, create, and keep building.